Do you know what the top threat methods in cybersecurity are? In our ever-evolving digital landscape, understanding these threats is pivotal to protecting your organization's digital assets. These threats come in various forms, from orchestrated attacks designed to disrupt your business to psychological manipulations that trick users into making security mistakes. They're the tools of the trade for cybercriminals aimed at infiltrating, disrupting, or even destroying your digital fortress. Today, we will cover the top threat methods that cybercriminals employ. First on our list is denial of service, or DOS. This cyber threat method is all about disruption. Imagine a crowd of people pouring into a small shop, so much so that nobody can move or do anything. That's what a DOS attack does to your website or network. Cybercriminals coordinate an onslaught of traffic, flooding your digital space until it's so overwhelmed that it crashes. This prevents your customers and clients from accessing your services, causing interruptions in your business. But wait, there's more. Cybercriminals can also gain unauthorized access to your network and data. Let's talk about two ways this can happen. First, there's third-party exposure. This is where seemingly harmless entry points, like an air conditioning control unit, become the weak spot that a malicious actor needs to infiltrate your network. It's like leaving a back door unlocked and a sign saying, "Come on in." The second way is through insecure networks. These are the soft spots in your defenses, like outdated software or devices, weak passwords or incorrect permissions. It's like having a fortress with a crumbling wall. Cybercriminals are always on the lookout for these vulnerabilities, ready to exploit them at a moment's notice. So what we've learned today is that denial of service attacks can bring your business to a standstill, and insecure networks or third-party exposure can let cybercriminals into your digital home. These methods aim to disrupt your business and gain unauthorized access to your network and data. Another significant threat method employed by cybercriminals is social engineering. This method is a dark art of manipulation, a psychological game that criminals play to trick users into making security mistakes or divulging sensitive information. It's a dangerous game as it preys on human elements like trust, fear, and curiosity. Now, let's dive deeper into a common use of social engineering: phishing. Phishing, a leading cause of attacks and breaches, cleverly exploits social engineering techniques. It's all about deception, tricking employees or partners into revealing confidential information. This could happen through innocent-looking phone calls, seemingly harmless chat messages, social media, or even company emails. Phishing can also involve getting people to perform actions that compromise security. For instance, clicking on a deceptive link or visiting a website that results in the installation of malware or ransomware. Now, not all phishing attacks are created equal. There are two particularly devious types that you should be aware of: whale phishing and spear phishing. Whale phishing targets the big fish, the top leadership within an organization. Spear phishing, on the other hand, hones in on specific individuals or roles, like your friendly neighborhood HR manager. Phishing and social engineering, which exploit human vulnerabilities, are among the most dangerous threat methods. They show us that sometimes the weakest link in our cybersecurity isn't a machine or a piece of software, it's us, the humans behind the screens. Understanding these threat methods is the first step towards safeguarding your organization. We've navigated the murky waters of denial of service, network vulnerabilities, social engineering, and the ever-evolving world of phishing. But remember, the key to cybersecurity isn't just knowing the threats, it's about vigilance, regular employee training, and implementing robust cybersecurity measures. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and remember, your best defense against these threats is knowledge. Subscribe to @DemystifyTech for more insights into the world of cybersecurity.